Hi, my name is James David. I am currently a business development manager for Leoleo Smart System. Uh, Leoleo, we can simply state as a digital data management system that is aiming to digitize agriculture supply chain in Tanzania. We have vision to operate in both EAC and SADC countries as we move on. To begin with, Leoleo is providing real-time market prices of agriculture crops and livestock throughout the markets in Tanzania. Now, let me take you through and show you how we are able to do this. Let me change from Swahili to English. We are using Swahili because we are Tanzania. We are commonly using Kiswahili. Now we have changed it to English. Let me take you through, let's see, a category of fruits, and um, uh, we go through pineapples, and you see how we are able to display the price changes. For example, here we have Sumbawanga uh, Mandela Market. This Sumbawanga is mostly found in Southern Islands. We have Sokoko in Arusha, whereby this Sokoko is found in Arusha, the northern part of Tanzania. So we are able to display different prices across different markets in Tanzania. Okay, let's see on the side of spices, and we go to the onions. Let's see onions. To the onions, we can see different markets that are there. So these are the prices, and also with these prices we are providing those local units that are being used inside these local markets. Now, why did we decide to display these market prices of crops and to be able to update them on daily basis? Number one is because of traceability. Number two is for decision making, whereby, for example, farmers have to decide what to produce against the performance in the market, and also farmers have little access of market information. So we also wanted to increase the bargaining power of farmers and also of other stakeholders in the supply chain. Now, let us look to our main users, who are mostly farmers, local market vendors, and agro-processing SMEs. So Leoleo is also helping in data management, system, whereby, let's, for example, start with farmers. Now, inside these applications, farmers are able to provide a guide to agriculture, whereby number one, they're able to record their location. Number two, they are able to record the crop that is being cultivated. Number three, they are able to record how much has been harvested in order to determine their productivity level. But also through the system, we are providing them with we call it digital agriculture practices guidelines, whereby um, uh, we are able to uh, to provide this information through normal SMS and also through the application. As you can see here, different types of guidelines that are provided to them, and also uh, farmers can provide, they can store their usually data like expenses in together with sales. They also can record their field activities. Now, this is the platform also whereby buyers and sellers, they can meet, and whereby, for example, here you look at the list of farmers, whereby a person can search a farmer and the type can see where the farmer is and how much. Now here is where they can make direct calls, or they can text through the application. Now it just acts as a meeting point. And also we have local market vendors. For example, Tanzania, we have over 2.2 million local market vendors, on which 80% are dominated with women. And in Tanzania, agriculture food crops, 97% pass through this local market. So we have a setup for these local market vendors whereby they can record how much they are selling, they can sell, they can keep records of the expenses, and also through the system they can be able to be provided with profit margin. The same goes to the agro-processing SMEs, whereby these SMEs are the ones who convert agricultural crops into manufactured goods, for example chilies, tomatoes, yogurt, etc. Now here also it has they can record their products, they can record their sales, they can record their expenses, also they can create orders, and this also leads to the system determining their profit margin throughout their period. Now another feature that we have added in our system is the financial service, whereby we wanted to digitize the financial part, whereby we are providing them with digital wallets. Here is where they can create what we call it digital payments, allow them to make digital payments for the both collection and disbursement. Through this feature, we wanted to incorporate it with credit scoring infrastructure, whereby they can be able to be determined how much they can be offered the credit based on their business performance. For based on their business performance, I can see here we can create disbursement and also make payments. Now on the case of insurance, we have begun working with Reliance Insurance, whereby we have been conducting trainings to users on importance of using the insurance products. Now the aim was to take the agriculture products that have been designed with Reliance Insurance to current users. Now with the change of with the climate change, we see the need of our users to have this insurance, mostly for the farmers and also for the traders. Leoleo has a vision of creating more innovative data-driven solution, maximizing its active users from our current 1,400 to over 100,000 users in the next 3 years. We warmly welcomed any strategic partners to work with in order to reach our target goals. Thank you.